Hey K-pop fans, welcome to Zoom. It's been a packed week full of big announcements, emotional reunions, and exciting milestones. Let's dive into everything that had fans buzzing, from BTS updates and HYBE's big move in India to surprise weddings and chart-topping hits. HYBE India launch. BTS has seemingly come a little closer to their Desi armies. On 3rd November, HYBE India officially launched its social media handles, a major milestone towards establishing its India branch. HYBE India posted a photo that said, HYBE India, where Indian voices become global stories. The caption read an emotional, India. One fan reacted with a heartfelt message. Welcome to India, HYBE India. Indian, we are truly excited to have you here. Please bring official pop-up stores, BTS merch, and HYBE events to various cities across India. Jungkook's showcase. Experience the golden journey of Jungkook, from BTS to global stardom. His immersive showcase will take place at Mehboob Studio, Mumbai, from 12 December 2025 to 11 January 2026. Tickets go live on 6 November at 12 p.m., exclusively on Book My Show. Taecyeon's wedding announcement. 2 p.m. member and actor OK Taecyeon is set to tie the knot. The 36-year-old surprised fans by revealing the news through a handwritten letter on social media. This follows months of speculation that he was engaged to a non-celebrity. Congratulations, Taecyeon! Jin's Run Seokjin Encore concerts. BTS member Jin wrapped up his Run Seokjin EP tour with a spectacular two-day encore concert at the Incheon Munhak Main Stadium. Day 1 turned into a full-fledged BTS mini-reunion when Jungkook and J-Hope joined him on stage. On Day 2, Jin surprised fans again. This time, V aka Kim Taehyung and Jimin showed up, making it another unforgettable moment for ARMYs. Jo Byung-kyu's lawsuit update. The uncanny counter-actor Jo Byung-kyu faced a major setback in his school bullying lawsuit. On 1st November, a Seoul court ruled against the actor in his 4.00 billion KRW damages case. His related defamation suit was also dropped by prosecutors. Asia Pacific U30 Leaders List. Several top Korean stars have made it to the 2025 Asia Pacific U30 Outstanding Young Leaders list, including BTS leader RM, Blackpink's Jisoo, Kim Hae-woo, and Cha Eun-woo. The list honored 143 innovators under 30 across 21 economies. Moon Gabi and Reply 1988 reunion. Model Moon Gabi raised concerns over the unauthorized use of her son's photos in AI-generated videos, calling them clear violations of the law. And for K-drama fans, it's a nostalgia trip. Reply 1988 is officially marking its 10th anniversary with a special reunion. Even Ryu Junior adjusted his schedule to join, sparking major excitement. Kim Yo-jung addresses dating rumors. Actress Kim Yo-jung has broken her silence on dating rumors with Dear Ex co-star Kim Do-hoon. The K-drama, which also stars Kim Young-dae and Lee Yo-leum, releases on 6th November. Les Seraphim x J-Hope Billboard success. Les Seraphim's latest single, Spaghetti, featuring BTS's J-Hope made a stunning debut at number 50 on the Billboard Hot 100, the highest for a fourth-gen girl group. It also hit number 6 on the Global 200 and number 3 on the Global EXCL US charts. From HYBE's India debut to BTS reunions and K-drama buzz, it's been an unforgettable week in K-pop. Which story excited you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more K-News updates. That's all for this week's edition. For all the entertainment updates, follow Zoom.